Did you know that with one colored pencil, I can get 3 different sorts of colors? How do I do that? Well, it's a fancy little trick called value. If I apply a different amount of pressure, for example, if I barely touch the paper, I can make a really light purple. Let's zoom in so you can see. I have a really light color. I like to think of this as whisper. Whisper light. If I press just normally, kind of the same amount of pressure with my hand that I use to write every day, I get a medium purple. And if I press really hard with my pencil, I can get a nice dark purple color. Maybe we can think of this as loud dark. This is important to know because this is a very useful skill called value. Artists use value in multiple ways. One thing you can use value for is to create the illusion of 3 dimensions, to make something look like it's actually standing in front of you. For example, if I take a circle, right now it's just a flat circle, but if I use value, for example, I focus here, I'm going to imagine this is a ball and the sun is shining and it's shining down on here and it's creating a really light area on the ball here. Then if I slowly go around, starting with whisper light, moving into medium, and finally going loud dark at the bottom. Suddenly, that circle starts to feel more like a ball, like a 3-dimensional object. And if I play with it a little more, in the art world we say, if I push those values, if I play with them and keep adding and maybe add even a darker area right about here, I can really start to make something look 3-dimensional. I'm going to go back in and blend a little bit so you can't see those lines so hard. And I can even use my loud dark, to create a shadow below my object. And suddenly, just like that, I have something that is realistic. And I did it all using one pencil, one colored pencil.